Look at this beautiful focaccia I made. Stick around so I can show you guys exactly how to do it yourselves. You're going to start with 2 cups of warm water, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of yeast. Mix it all together until the sugar and yeast dissolve and it begins to bubble. This is going to keep the bread moist and soft as it bakes in the oven. Then add 4 cups of flour and mix it all together with a wooden spoon. I needed another 1/4 cup of water. Flour your countertops and knead this all together by hand for 5 to 10 minutes until your dough has no lumps and it's smooth and beautiful. When you're satisfied with it, you're going to put your dough into an oiled bowl and cover it with a damp paper towel. You're going to let it rise for 1 to 2 hours or until the dough doubles in size. Then you're going to oil a parchment paper lined pan and dump your dough out. Spread the dough to the edges of the pan with clean hands. And then we're going to oil the surface of the dough with olive oil as well. Next, you're going to take your hands and you're going to create a dimpled surface, pushing the olive oil into the dough. This is going to prevent it from burning and keep it moist while it bakes. Next, go in with your favorite vegetables. I'm using spring onions. I'm also going to cut up some tomatoes and put those in to act as petals. I'm using red tomatoes and yellow tomatoes today. You can use meat. You could also do this pizza style and add sauce and cheese, but I'm just going for bread today. I'm also going to use some black olives. You're going to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. This bread only takes about 20 minutes to bake, 25 if you like it really crispy. I'm going to use purple onions to create some more flower shapes. And you don't want to forget to season this. I'm going to go in with some Italian seasoning and salt. And yeah, once you put this into the oven, check on it every 5 minutes until the dough is really crispy, however dark you like it. I'm also going to decorate the rest of the dead space with olives. And don't forget to add your favorite seasonings. I'm going to add Italian parsley before I throw it into the oven. And this is how it came out. Let me know how you guys like it.